Today you're gonna learn how to make your very first basic Persian sentences. So keep watching to the end. سلام دوستان، چطورید؟ خوبید؟ من مجید هستم. Hi guys, this is Majid, your Persian teacher. If you're interested in learning Persian as a complete beginner, you should follow my weekly lessons on YouTube. For doing that, please subscribe to my channel. So, this must be interesting to you to make your first sentences in Persian. We're gonna do that using the verb to be and some adjectives today. Sentence structure. If you are a native English speaker or somebody who knows English, you know that in English we have subject and then verb and then object. But in Persian it's subject, object and then verb. In other words, verb goes at the end of the sentence. Let's see some examples. For example, you say I am Iranian. من ایرانی هستم. You don't say من هستم ایرانی. You say من ایرانی هستم. So verb goes at the end. من ایرانی هستم or من ایرانیم. She's a student. اون دانشجوه. This we have already learned. It means is. اون دانشجوه or اون دانشجو است. ما خوشحالیم or ما خوشحال هستیم. It's good. خوبه or خوب است. But frankly speaking, nobody says خوب است. Everybody says خوبه. So we have this to be table again, and we are going to make sentences using adjectives. The first adjective that I have for you is the word young. It is javun in Persian. Javun. Formal Persian it is javan, but nobody says javan, we say javun. And now we're gonna say I am young, you're young, he's young, she's young, and so on. So I am young will be, you have I, man, am goes at the end of the sentence, young, javun, man, javun, hastam. Man, javun, hastam, or the very short form, javunam, or man javunam. As I told you, this subject pronoun is always optional. You can say man javunam or javunam. You are young, تو جوون هستی, تو جوونی or جوونی. She's young, جوونه. He is young, جوونه. We are young, جوونیم. You're young, شما جوونید. They're young, اونا جوونن. So you see you have the adjective and this endings. Next example is the adjective lazy, which is tanbal in Persian. Tanbal. So if you want to say I am lazy, you must say من تنبل هستم or من تنبلم. You're lazy, تو تنبل هستی, تو تنبلی or تنبلی. She's lazy, he's lazy, اون تنبل است, اون تنبله. We are lazy, ما تنبل هستیم, ما تنبلیم. You are lazy, شما تنبل هستید, شما تنبلید. They are lazy, اونا تنبل هستن, اونا تنبلن. And the next one, tired, خسته. I am tired, من خسته هستم, من خسته‌ام or خسته‌ام. You are tired, تو خسته هستی, تو خسته ای. She's tired, he's tired, اون خسته است, اون خسته. Actually here you can say خسته or خسته است, but this is a little incorrect if you ask me. That's correct, we said that we use only e, which sounds like e, that is for is. But here our adjective ends with e or it ends with e, and if you say e once more it's somehow awkward. خسته. That's why we tend to say here است. خسته است. خسته است. We are tired. ما خسته هستیم. ما خسته ایم. You're tired. شما خسته هستید. شما خسته اید. They're tired. اونا خسته هستند. اونا خسته‌اند. Now it's time to learn about the negative form of the verb to be. We had this before. I am, you are, من هستم، تو هستی، اون هست، ما هستیم، شما هستید، اونا هستند. Now we have to learn about the negative form. For doing that, you have to drop this ha and replace it with ni. Or you can just memorize negative form. It's not difficult, it's easy actually. So we have من هستم، نیستم. هستی، نیستی. هست or است، نیست. هستیم، نیستیم. هستید، نیستید. هستند، نیستند. So once more. من نیستم. تو نیستی. اون نیست. ما نیستیم. شما نیستید. اونا نیستند. Let's go to examples. We have already learned about the adjective young, جوون, and we made the sentences. Now we're going to have the negative forms. So I am young, من جوونم, and the negative form will be yes, من جوون نیستم. You are young, تو جوونی، تو جوون نیستی, or جوون نیستی. She is young, اون جوونه، اون جوون نیست. Please note that here we have e, and for the negative form it's always نیست. It's not like here نیستم or نیستی. This ending will go away. So جوون نیست. We're young. ما جوونیم. ما جوون نیستیم. You're young. شما جوونید. شما جوون نیستید. They're young. اونا جوونن. اونا جوون نیستن. Next examples. Lazy, tanbal. I'm lazy. من تنبلم. And negative form. من تنبل نیستم. You're lazy. تو تنبلی. تو تنبل نیستی. She's lazy. اون تنبله. اون تنبل نیست. We are lazy. ما تنبلیم. ما تنبل نیستیم. You're lazy. شما تنبلید. شما تنبل نیستید. They're lazy. اونا تنبلن. اونا تنبل نیستن. And the next one, tired, خسته. I am tired. من خستم. And the negative form, من خسته نیستم. You're tired. خسته ای. خسته نیستی. She's tired. خسته است. I told you this double E will be difficult, so we go for this. خسته است. خسته نیست. We're tired. خسته ایم. خسته نیستیم. You're tired. خسته اید. خسته نیستید. They're tired. خسته‌اند. خسته نیستند. Some more examples that we had at the beginning of this lesson. I'm Iranian. من ایرانی هستم. She's student. اون دانشجوه. We're happy. ما خوشحالیم. It's good. خوبه. Now we'll make them negative. من ایرانی هستم. Then من ایرانی نیستم. اون دانشجوه. اون دانشجو نیست. ما خوشحالیم. ما خوشحال نیستیم. خوبه. خوب نیست. More examples with some new adjectives. You are smart. Smart means باهوش. باهوش. تو باهوشی or باهوشی. تو باهوشی. Next one. I'm sick. Sick means مریض. مریض. So what should we say? من مریضم. من مریضم. Next, she's kind. Kind means مهربون. مهربون. So we must say اون مهربونه. اون مهربونه. It's bad. Bad is bad. So we say بده. بده. So let's go to some negative sentences but with some changes. For example, not using you, here we have they. They are not smart. What can we say? اونا باهوش نیستند. اونا باهوش نیستند. He is not sick. اون مریض نیست. اون مریض نیست. You are not kind. That's not a good sentence, but it's just an example. You're not kind. تو مهربون نیستی. تو مهربون نیستی. They're not bad. اونا بد نیستن. اونا بد نیستن. Let's learn some new adjectives as new words for today. Small, big. Small is کوچیک. Small, کوچیک. Big, بزرگ. کوچیک، بزرگ. Young and old. Young, جوون. Old, پیر. Easy, hard. Easy, آسون. Hard, سخت. Beautiful, قشنگ. Ugly, زشت. قشنگ، زشت. In my last video I told you you might have problem pronouncing this sound. That's غ. This غ sound. So قشنگ، قشنگ. زشت، ugly. Early, زود. Early, زود. Late, دیر. دیر. Cold and warm. Cold, سرد. Warm, گرم. Let me read them for you once more. کوچیک، بزرگ. جوون، پیر. آسون، سخت. قشنگ، زشت. زود، دیر. سرد، گرم. Now you're supposed to make your own sentences using these adjectives. Don't worry, we're gonna work on them in my next lesson, which is making sentences part 2. But in the meantime, it's a good idea that you make your own sentences. Make your very basic sentences today. For example, you can say فارسی آسونه. For example, فارسی سخت نیست. So make your own sentences, and if you like, share your sentences in the comment section here below. Once more, thank you for watching. Don't forget to visit my website persianlearning.com and my Facebook page you can see here. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive my weekly Persian lessons. Have a good day. و خداحافظ.